Today we'll talk about how can you add weight on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on account details here. Then you come to this list here. You just click here on start with. Just click on it. And here can you start with edit here in this list. So then when you're down here, just click on save. Then automatically it's going to save with you here on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.